Hi, this is Tracy, and this morning I'm just wanting to show you a simple way to add in more pages into these no-sew books. So this is our Hilma of Klint book that we've been working in, and yeah, somebody just asked me, well, how do you add some more pages? Well, there's a simple way, which is you can just tape them in, but you can also add another one with a seam in it, just by, so you just kind of sellotape that in. It's got the already taped, so you've created another and you just have to tape it in. It's not very pretty, I know, but it does the trick. And then you just use, you know, say if you want to add some more pages, you just then create this little wedge cutout and you just place it through there. And there you have another page added. So you do miss out on, say if you've got a double-sided something that you really want to keep. Say I've got this is just a scrap thing that I've been working on, it's just some doodles, and say you want to keep that as a whole page. I'm going to leave my hinge part free, but here I could stick that in here using again tape. So this time I haven't had to, I'm just creating a hinge with sellotape. Of course you can't then paint easily over this tape. This is that invisibility tape, which I quite like, but it does mean then you can have your, say if you've got a painting that you've done on a whole page, you can still have it as a whole page, whereas when you use the other slot, the way with the slot there, you do lose half your page. So, and I'm just sellotaping that in on the other side. So that's just how you quickly add in another page. So now I've got this one here, which is, you can open it and it's a full page and it will turn. And these ones here are the ones that have just been slotted through, just through like that. It's very simple and basic. I mean, you know, it's a simple process just to keep a journal going. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks, bye.